Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan. I'm the owner of a small business called Fauna Rose. I mostly make and sell handmade accessories and occasionally a bit of home decor, and I vlog the whole process of running my small business and pop it on YouTube for you all to see. And in today's video, we have got a market vlog and I'm really excited to share the whole experience with you guys. So hopefully you'll stay tuned for that, but it is kind of leading on from last week's video, but if you've not caught it, that's completely fine. But in last week's video, I was rushing to get some new items made. I had 3 new scrunchies that I was dropping and I really wanted to get them done so I could take them to the market, and that way I could gauge what people thought about them, see how popular they were going to be and stuff before I launched them on my website. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. Good morning guys, it's market day. I'm very tired as always. Luckily so far the sun is shining and I really hope it stays that way. I really hope it doesn't rain. I really hope it doesn't get windy, but I am about to head off. We're having to take 2 cars, which wasn't necessarily the plan, but it just won't all fit in Alex's car as well as like me, so we're just gonna do 2 cars, which isn't great, but it's only about half an hour away, which isn't too bad. So I've got a few bits, but most of it is in Alex's car. He's just coming out now, so fingers crossed we can set up super easily, we can have a nice day, the weather be great, and it just be a fabulous market. Here's hoping. So let's head on over and let's have a good day. Guys, I'm here and I'm early. I'm like 4 minutes early, which is amazing, but also I'm not the one with all the stuff, so I'm sure Alex won't be far behind, but I'm just slowly crawling up the drive now. Let's hope we can get set up in really good time, so I would like to do it nice and relaxed, you know, and have time to look around. So I'm pretty sure we're in this like courtyardy bit here. There's like all stalls inside, and then there's another courtyard bit right in the back, and that's where Hannah's going to be with her coffee trailer. We're all set up and it is 9:37, so I've still got time, which is great. But got the banner at the top. Not put all the sides on, so I'm hoping it's not going to be too windy or start raining. But big pegboard here. So we've got minis on this side, headbands in the middle, XLs and accessories on this side. And oh, that needs to go. Pop that behind there. We got the new ones in the middle. I think they look so cute. So happy with them. Love it. And we've got all the macrame stuff over here. Amazing. Cam reception. Inception. Is that what it's called? He's a good egg. Oh, she's a hot mess. Not done my hair yet, but it's fine. But we're all set up and we still have 10 minutes. English. 10 minutes to go. Alex is just filming some clips, but we're set up. Card payments are all set up. I think we're good to go. It's amazing when we can get set up and actually have the time to like deep breathe. Hopefully we'll have a good day so far. The sun is shining. The wind it's there, but it's not bad currently. So I'm hoping that it stays nice and calm. We don't get any rain. It is due to rain later on in the day, but I really hope it doesn't, because that's just such a ball ache trying to pack down when it's raining. But hopefully so far it's been a really nice sunny day. So my microphone is due to be delivered today. It's on its way back to me, which I'm so excited but still so nervous about. Hopefully they've been able to fix it. Apparently they have, and hopefully it is like so much better in terms of the quality. But because we're not there, you need like a pin to accept the delivery, obviously, because it's technology and stuff. So they've got like a security pin that you have to give the driver to accept it. But we're obviously not going to be home, so I have just tried to change the delivery day to tomorrow. Obviously I want it today, but I'm not going to be there, so it's completely fine. Hopefully we can then get it tomorrow and test it out and see if the audio is going to be fixed and whatever. But yeah, I'm hoping today's going to be a really good day, but you never know with these things. It's been just really good to catch up with some small business friends and stuff, so we'll see if it's going to be a good day. I'm just really glad that I got the new scrunchies done because they look so cute.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same?
So we already sold a Daphne XL, we sold the Neutral Infinity keychain, we sold a Jasmine Mini, a Danny Mini, and a Stage Mini. So I don't think this looks great as is. When it's full and there's like double of each colour and it looks nice and flat, like this needs to obviously be up higher. The one that I used in the past for my lanyards had like little pegs or whatever, but I thought if I have the room I'll just stick something up to have these hung up like this, and annoyingly enough it does work. People seem to like it better when they can touch these and see how long they are. I think this looks more professional, but this is better for customer experience, so having them down there as well as up there has worked, because we've actually sold a couple, which is great. So I'm glad that I did actually do that because it worked. I'm a hot mess all over again, but we are done for the day. We're already packed up, ready to go. Alex has already headed off with most of the stuff. It is 4:53, so it does take us quite a bit longer to obviously pack away when we've got the gazebo set up. And we were obviously chatting to some friends and stuff, but still good time. 53 minutes to be in the car and on the way home with chatting to people. Pretty happy with that. So I am very ready to go home, get on the couch and to crash, but we've had a really good day as always. I always have a good time at these events, never have a bad time. Even if sales are slow, it's always good vibes, great to see everyone, just really fun market day. But in the end we've ended up having a decent day in terms of sales as well, so I definitely can't complain. It didn't rain, the wind wasn't too bad, so overall another fab Lincolnshire Makers market day. Cannot complain in the slightest. It was a really nice chilled day, to be fair. So if any of you did pop over and say hi, thank you so much. I'm really tired now. I'm gonna head home. I don't think it's gonna be this evening, but I will sit down and like run through some of my stats with you all. But yeah, let's go home, let's get a cuppa, let's get on the couch with the cats and let's chill.
kind of. I'll be sat doing my market, counting stock and sorting my website out, but I'll see you soon.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing that little market vlog there. I'm very quickly going to run through some of my statistics and we'll see how well we did that day. Like I mentioned when I was sat in the car about to leave, I had a really nice day. It was lovely to catch up with a bunch of small business friends, meet you guys, meet new customers. It's always super fun interacting with loads of different people at events, so it was really fun. The weather was really great, which is amazing, and it was just a super chilled out day, which is always incredible. But in terms of sales, it wasn't our most profitable day. We still had a good day though, but it wasn't one of our best in terms of sales and how much money we took, items we sold, etc. But really quickly, I'm just looking at my stats now. I cannot remember how much it cost me to be there. Usually it's around like £50–60. I'll pop it on the screen for you guys to see. And we took roughly £230, which is great. So definitely not a loss. Our busiest time was between 1 and 2 p.m. And interestingly enough, we kind of took half cash, half card payments. Usually it is mostly card, but for some reason this event we did end up taking kind of like 50/50. Our most popular item was the mini scrunchies. We do a 3 for 10 offer when we are at markets, so we sold quite a lot of mini scrunchies through that offer, and then we also did sell a bunch more just as is. A few of the new lace trim scrunchies did end up selling, which is very exciting. Everyone had really nice things to say about them, so I cannot wait to get them on the website. So overall, yes, it wasn't the most profitable event that we've done, but it was still amazing. And I think that even though, yes, the main goal for markets is to make money, and it's always super painful when you don't, but I've learned over time that there are so many different benefits to doing markets, and if you sort of broaden your horizon and look at it in like different ways of other ways that you can take positive things out of events and markets, not just sales, you will find the market experience a lot better. That's what I think anyway. So marketing, networking, meeting new people, meeting future customers. So even if they didn't necessarily buy something there and then, a lot of the time they'll take a business card, they'll check out your social media, they will pass it on to friends and family. So there is always potential to grow in different aspects in different ways. So overall, a great market. I really enjoyed it. It's always nerve-wracking doing an outside event and having an outside setup in the UK with the weather being so unpredictable, but we got very lucky with this one. So I am going to leave this video here. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you could give it a massive thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and subscribe if you aren't. All my social media for Fauna Rose, including the website, is linked down below. If you want to head on over there and check it out and support me in those ways, feel free. But apart from that, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!